Imagine you are merging onto the highway. You press the gas pedal and absolutely nothing happens. Or worse, the car goes into limp mode and you are stuck crawling along the side of the road. That is often what happens when you get a code P212D. This code is specific to the throttle position sensor or switch G circuit high input. Now that sounds like a mouthful, but let me explain what is happening under the hood. Modern cars do not use a physical cable connecting your foot to the engine anymore. They use a system called drive-by-wire. When you press the pedal, a sensor tells the computer how far you pushed it, and then the computer tells a motor on the throttle body to open the butterfly valve. It is all electronics. The PCM, or your car's brain, constantly monitors the voltage coming from these sensors. The letter G in the code just refers to a specific circuit or part of that sensor array. Usually, these sensors work like a dimmer switch. They have a 5-volt reference, and as you move the pedal or the throttle plate moves, the resistance changes, sending a specific voltage back to the computer. If that voltage spikes higher than the programmed limit, the computer thinks something is broken, and for safety, it shuts down your ability to accelerate, so you do not have a runaway car. The symptoms are pretty obvious. You might have a stuck throttle, limited acceleration, where the engine might stall when you let it idle. Why does this happen? It could be a short in the wiring, a bad sensor on the pedal or the throttle body, or even a bad actuator motor. But here's a pro tip that can save you money. Before you replace any sensors, check the throttle body for carbon buildup. I have seen countless cars throw this code just because gunk and carbon are holding the throttle plate open slightly when it should be closed, confusing the computer. Get some throttle body cleaner and a rag and wipe it out. If that does not work, grab your digital volt-ohm meter. You want to watch the voltage signal as you slowly press the pedal. It should go from about 0.5 volts to 4.5 volts smoothly. If you see spikes or jumps on your meter, that sensor has a dead spot and needs to be replaced. Always check your connections for corrosion too, because a bad ground can cause voltage readings to go haywire.